I'm on myself as a ride. And I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely nights. I love you, baby. Just let me love you, baby. Let me love you. Love you.
Monoxide is a catalyzer, and then you get rocket repellent. But this is commonly known as a sugar rocket repellent that has been used for many hobbyist rocketeers, and it's pretty powerful. So you can make this at home if you want, but like be safe, take safety precautions. So if you mix all of this together, you get an explosion, or like rocket fuel, basically.
And I met them through these events because we pay for people's flights through stipends. And like these are people from all over the world who come here, and like they're all super cool high schoolers who are your age, making really cool stuff. Yeah, so what can you do at Hack Club? Right now.
Thank you all for joining us this morning. We hope you love Learnathon, and today is very absolutely exciting. It will be a full day of creative exploration and building. So get ready to get on the grind and invent something in 8 hours. Let's watch a quick recap to see what all the learning action yesterday was like.
We are super excited to have you guys all here.
Okay, wait, so we have like this homepage, and then we have meeting screen. Now, profile, cool. And then we have home. Awesome. Okay. What's going on here?
You get
Explain what's going on.
you get all the edges from Firebase, and then whenever you add like an edge, it's gonna look in the queue, and then it's gonna process this add, and then this add is going to add the edge to Firebase, but also find the cycles. So it goes, it gets the cycles starting from it. So it says get cycles edge ID, and that is here. It gives the edge ID.
What's the bug?
It's not. The bug is this is not finding any cycles. Yeah. Which.
I see. And once you found the cycle, it's good? Nice.
Should be good.
Can you create a vlog?
Like, use user content. Go to the context. This thing. Like, you have to use this thing. And then, and you can just do, you have to delete your whole entire, like, node modules. And then do npm install again. And then use this to get all the user information.
We'll give you guys a few more minutes.
So here's, I kind of want like when the user is signed in, like this page should just be a dashboard. Yeah. And then wait, does profile work?
No.
Okay. And then
Dude, stop. MIT is the moment. No, bro, that's Stanford, bro.
I like
MIT has real startups.
which side? I mean, this could be easy. Or like you can say like or other ways to sign in, and click that and it brings you to like /sign in and then /register.
Yeah, we'll do that like if we have time.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was thinking like this is the landing page, so when you first open it up, there's no nav bar. So it's just this, and then when you sign in, this appears with the dashboard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, I promise I'll log in after this. I promise. Okay. I
Wait.
will.
Go. What's your profile?
62 people in. Are we waiting for anyone else?
Let's try to get 5 more.
Or like, is anyone else like trying to join that hasn't joined yet? 64. Do we have anyone else? I think we're good. Okay, we'll get started. Good luck, everyone. Oh, that's a very fast content. Okay, so you can see we have a big number of big Tetris screens and unfortunately some big ads too. Kind of a block. Oh. Slight blunder there. Oh, another shot. Oh, okay. 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 That was a very good. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna hand the microphone to Rue to talk.
You got eliminated.
10 players left. Still one
He
piece quite
attacked
still.
relentlessly. Oh man, they lost it. But Notuya is not Notuya is doing fine. Oh, whoa, what is that? Quadruple piece is incredible. Wow, okay. There's a lot of that. Oh wow, it looks like there's some like delay. Interesting. Okay, this might be the end of it. Okay, that's a good save by guess 85893034. Oh man, it might be the end.
Oh,
Close.
and we have a winner.
Let's get a round of applause for Tutia. Alive for 4 minutes. Let's get a little bit of a scroll through the leaderboard. You can see.
That's gluten free. How many boxes did you get? 300? 5 for people.
Wait, did any of you change?
Wait, did you make the David here?
The user.tsx?
No. I just accepted the incoming change from mail.
Log out. Yeah, what do we have so far? We're at like the halfway point.
Basically, so we have this.
We have that. We sign in.
And then you take into the dashboard to select your skill.
Or can I see the drop down menu?
It's like just mostly comp sci for now.
Yeah.
But you can like add your trade, you can dismiss it, and then you can like accept or deny as well. And then for meetings, you see all of your matches. And then in the profile, you can go to your meetings and then also sign in.
Cool.
Alan, what are you working on?
Fixing stuff.
Fixing stuff. Ryan, what are you working on?
I'm making the profile a card.
Making what?
I'm turning this into like a card.
Turn into a card.
But I need to
Cool.
find the
And I'm working on Firebase.
You could just submit nothing and save things will happen.
Can we see the finished sign?
Yeah, quickly.
Sign in.
I sign in. I select the skill that I give, the skill that I want, and then I press add train, app view. App view good. To add the skills. So now it's added, I can reload, and now it's here. And then, yeah, it's knitting to painting, so if I have someone else doing painting to knitting, I would be good. Painting to knitting, and I'll add to train. That's the cycle right there. Reload. You can see it's yellow because no one has approved it yet, but if I press accept, it's approved and it's green. I can go to the other user and also approve it. Right here. And then it's gone. But now if you go to the meetings, you can see I have 2 meetings. I can just dismiss the meeting.
Nice. Dang. Oh, pizza. Here, my little pitch, for after the problem. Do you want to hear my slide 3? Okay, so after we say the problem, you say okay, imagine we have Alice. Alice is met with an impossibility. She wants to learn guitar, but doesn't know where to find someone that can teach her. And she also doesn't want to spend too much money on guitar lessons. However, Alice is very fond of art. That is her skill. Somewhere, we have Bob, who wants to learn art. Yay. Bob also happens to know guitar. And so, there we have mutual links, mutual skills that they can share with one another. And therefore, what Alice thought was an impossibility is no longer an impossibility.
Yeah.
This is our solution.
Round 2, fight!
We just want to pick you guys their snacks. Here's Lotus. Yay!
No, I missed it. Oh. Would you be willing to tell me your dust? For how much?
$5. $5 for duck. How many do you have? She has like 10. I'll buy $10, 10 ducks for $5.
10 ducks for 5.
Get it.
Just as a reminder, as if you don't already know, there's only 20 minutes left. About 20 minutes left for your project submissions. So,
Yeah.
hey, so the submissions are theoretically officially over. This is
What are these? Oh, falafel. So good. I'm famished.
I was just checking to see if mine was.
What do you think will happen if sunlight and carbon dioxide? Basically,
Did you remove it?
Yeah. Until we really have this deep understanding.
So this is our project called Skill Trade. So one of the big problems we've been facing is that, well, whenever we go online, we want to learn something, it's always really expensive. Additionally, many people have skills that they don't monetize but are really valuable. And also, finding mutually exchangeable
you should be
skills
able to
are
see
pretty
how many
difficult.
judges are expected, either
And
typically
also,
either 0,
any existing
1,
platforms
or
also
2
rely
in
on
any
like
given
money
round.
in order to learn a
On
specific
your
skill.
schedule page include.
So, imagine Alice. She is faced with an impossibility. She wants to learn guitar. However, the only skill that she knows is art. She finds someone like Bob who wants to learn art. Therefore, Alice can teach art to Bob. But what's even better is that Bob
Round 3 has now
is able
started,
to
so
teach
please begin.
guitar. And therefore, this is a direct exchange between skills that allow them to like collaborate and exchange, and therefore eliminating the impossibility. So this is our solution called Skill Trade, which is a peer-to-peer based platform that matches users based on their skills and the skills that they want to learn. In our, we have several components, and users list the skills they offer and the skills that they want to gain. Our system will automatically match different cycles or connections that match the skills in reciprocal trades. And not only can they form direct matches, but also multi-person cycles, which you'll see in the next slide.
Yeah, so like this is the more complex part. Is that 3 people can all trade skills, But it's not like I give you this skill and then you give me this skill. I might give someone this skill, but someone else might give you another skill, right? It doesn't have to be the same person. So like if I teach React, I can teach React to user B. User B will teach knitting to user C, and user C will teach chess back to me, and it will form a cycle. So our technical structure is that we use Next.js, Tailwind, CSS, TypeScript, Firebase, Node.js for the backend. We also use AI to generate some of the styling for this, as you can see, this over here.
Nice.
And then one of the challenges that we faced was the backend, right? The actual finding cycles part. So we use depth first search to find the cycles. And what happens is that every single time a user added an edge in the backend, we would get that edge, and then we would find all of the cycles that are belonging to it. So at first when we were running DFS, while we were running, we were fetching from the database, and that could be slow. So our solution to that is that we're gonna fetch everything from the database first, store it in our local server cache, and then run DFS on that cache and make sure that our cache is synced with the database, so that this creates it much faster. Okay, so now it's time for the demo.
Also unlock underutilized skills. For example, if there isn't even a course on like origami and you wanted to take it, then you could use this website to do that.
Yeah, also one more thing that I want to add as well, that this project is scalable. It's not only like for students who are in school that want to learn. This can also be reached up to like the professional level, where like a professor who knows like linguistics wants to learn from like another professor who knows like very like high advanced calculus.
We would also like to have a rating system so other users can rate other users, and that would also be implemented into the algorithm for a more fair and better recommendation system. And finally, we'd like to polish the front-end layout to create kind of a more pleasant and more intuitive experience for
you is because of something else. What we want is we want you to be practicing and playing your instrument because you want to, because it feels good, right? Okay, so wouldn't it be cool if we can get a new kind of instrument, if we can invent a new kind of musical instrument that had that? Where like right away, initially, like as you're starting to play it, like, oh man, you're sounding good kind of pretty soon, right? Maybe it's not going to like sound amazing, but it would be cool if you started sounding good right away, okay? And that's what we were trying to do at Harmonix at my company. Like, can we get you to sound good sooner, okay? So, okay, do you see that green dot on the bottom left? Everyone see that? Okay, I'm gonna start moving. That's like the joystick position. Okay, I'm gonna start playing some notes now. Okay, those are quarter notes, like slow notes. And that can get kind of faster. And so I guess I just sort of have a question for you guys too. You know, one of the things that for us was really wonderful was this mission statement, this goal that we had. We always had it. We just didn't know exactly how to do it, but eventually we figured it out. And so what's your goal? Like, what do you want to do? And are you willing to put the effort into it? And are you willing to like think big? And are you willing to try even if it doesn't work? And then try something else if it doesn't work. But like keep your goal in mind, you know, like you want to keep that vision of what you're trying to do. And then eventually you'll get there with persistence. And I think what you're doing here is like an awesome start, right? Like you're doing so many cool things, you're meeting all these great people, and you're hacking on all kinds of ideas. So it's just a start, and you have like so many cool things ahead of you. So hopefully this was like a little bit of motivation about why you want to keep going, because eventually you will make a difference in the world. So thanks all. It was wonderful to be here.
The Blueprint Choice Awards. Oh, this includes the Spirit and the Meme prizes, and then the Beginner prizes, and then finally the General prizes. Without further ado, Timmy, take it away. Timmy! Called the spiciest meme lore. So yes. So you can see we had several submissions, hundreds of submissions actually, that were awesome. And these are a few of our honorable mentions. And honestly, every single one of you that made custom memes for this event, you guys really deserve a pat on the back. But only one of you can truly be the spiciest meme lord. And with that, we would like to award the prize to Soya was here for this great take on the Tech Talk yesterday. If you guys don't understand it, it's okay, neither do I. I wasn't at the Tech Talk. But you guys should, because you guys should have been there.
Oh my goodness, how can we forget our duck scavenger hunt? So we have had ducks that were thrown all over the place. There were ducks that were raining from the sky, whether it was today or yesterday, ducks were being thrown by people. I didn't even know, ducks were everywhere. And I was wondering how many ducks would the winning person have? Maybe like 10, 15, 20? This person had 88 ducks. Give it up for Duck Saver.
The struggles with the MBTA. So, a lot of times, you know, I ride the MBTA a lot, and a lot of times I always think to myself, man, I can really outrun this. This train is terrible. I can easily, you know, go faster than the green line, the orange line, but we wanted to see, can you really do that? So, to put it to the test, we designed this, and yeah, we are track stars.
Yeah, so, all right, so you can see up there, we got the UI, you can see speed in the top left, personal best top right, personal best is across the entire session, and then you can also see your speed relative to the trains, so you see the green line, which is Boylston to Park Street, I think.
Take care of your trash, move it to the trash. We also have like boatloads of pizza left, a lot of snacks, or some amount of snacks. Please take the disposable things, let's pick up, and yeah, take it around us home. It was really great meeting you all, thank you.